Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is Make Money with Video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube as a student without showing your face, and it's completely free. So we're going to use video, but don't run off because it's so easy guys. And before we get into it, look, these are all the different videos I make showing you different ways how to make money with video on different social medias, including YouTube, which is my favorite. And we're going to talk about that today. We are going to use an app called Invideo. It's completely free. And the good thing about it, guys, is it comes with 4,000 templates already made for you. So you can use these templates for your own personal use. You can sell them onto different businesses. You can upload them to places like Fiverr and stuff like that. But we're not talking about these today, guys. We're talking about the text to video. Text to video is basic. So we're going to use this because it's wide. Text to video is this basically. We will paste some text in one of these. So we'll just click this one, yeah? Right, we'll have this one. We like it. We'll have this one. You can click whichever you want. And we're going to use affiliate marketing. Now, this is ClickBank. It's completely free, guys. I've just logged on and clicked onto Marketplace. It brings you to this kind of place where it shows you, it shows you all these different categories, and you can choose whichever you want. But I'm going to choose health and fitness for the time being. And if we look, the top one is called our flat belly tonic, guys. If you want to click on if you want to promote it, guys, basically you sign up, you click the button you want to promote, and it will give you press generate hot link, gives you your link. This is the link what you'll paste in your descriptions or in your bio, wherever you want to put it. And when people click on this, it will bring them over to this. They will watch a short video if they want. If they want to buy it, they can. If they buy it, you'll make a commission, guys. Yeah, they can read all about it, and yeah, they can read all about it basically. So if we look on YouTube, yeah, I've typed in Okinawa flat belly tonic, and you can see all these different people are making reviews and talking about this product here, guys. So if you look at this, it's using this kind of text on the screen, yeah. And if we look at this one, another one making it, but it's a different one. She's not. She is. She's using it. Yeah, he's using it, or her. I'm not sure. And that's it, guys. So this is the kind of products you're using. So if I just click on this, yeah,
blood pressure.
or pause it. But she's using the same kind of things. She's making, or whoever it is, yeah, they're making $79 to $1,300 per month, guys. Yeah. Now that's because they're monetized. But before you get monetized, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now that might seem a lot, but if you're uploading lots of different videos of products and stuff like that, people are going to be watching it. Yeah. So 14,000 people have watched this. Well, 14,700. Yeah. If 1,000 of them like this video and they subscribe, then you're gonna start earning money on that. But this is not how we're going to do it, guys. This is for later down the road. The AdSense. I'm looking at here. Look, he's got the affiliate link in the description there. Look, click here to the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic discount. So if we click that, it's gonna brings us. And I should have done that. And it comes up in French because he's done it in French, right? It brings you to the page. Yeah, I'm gonna come off that and see, guys. That is it. He's making money on affiliate marketing. Was the one we're seeing doing the same thing. Yeah, we'll click on that.
Okinawa flat belly tonic.
They're using the same. They're using the robot voice as well. Not sure if she's monetized yet, but yeah, she's making even more, guys. 243 to 3.9 thousand a month. Yeah. And look, there's the link again, yeah, to the official Okonomo website, guys. So that is how you make these kind of videos. I'm going to show you how. So you come over it. What I do, guys, is you come over to the flat belly frequently asked questions, and I just copy and paste some of it. Now you shouldn't really copy and paste. You should put it in your own words, kind of thing, yeah. So I'm just going to put in that as our title. Copy it, put that as our headline, paste it there. And what I do with this, guys, I break it down. When the video gets made, it looks better because not all the writing and text all over the screen. And make it a bit longer than this, but what I do here, I'll write click the link in the basically writing a click to action, guys. So I've wrote click the link in the description to find out more, and then you press next, and it creates the video for you. It finds the images and the videos for you, and it puts the text on. Look, guys, so it's got your title there. If you don't like that, you can change it, whatever. If you want to choose a video, yeah, it's got all these videos. If you want to search for something like, I don't know, flat belly, yeah? Talk about a flat belly, so let's choose flat belly. Right, so you want that video, you just drag it, yeah? You shorten it or as long as you want it, but it says current scene, so that other one's like there, so we'll just call it there, yeah? And there you go, guys, yeah? You move down to the next scene. If you like that, you keep it there. If you like that, yeah? If you didn't like that and you wanted to change it there, just drag and drop, guys. That's how easy it is. And if you didn't want flat belly and you wanted like belly or stomach or fat or whatever, different pictures as well. Yeah, so you're talking about fat and well, no, mate, let's move to the next one. If you're talking about fat there, yeah, you could do that. It's entirely up to you. You could just leave it if you wanted and think, oh, I'll leave it as that. Or if you wanted, yeah, keep it at that. And then what you do, guys, is you download and share it. Yeah. And then you upload it to your YouTube channel. And if you needed to create a thumbnail, you come over to a place called Canva. It's completely free. And then you type in YouTube thumbnail. Yeah. And then you can either look for one what looks like you can use, because you can edit and you can modify all these. If you wanted to start from scratch, you would do. And that's how easy it goes, guys. That is how easy it is. But we'll just show you one more, like, because this is health and fitness. So if I show you, I don't know, say home and garden, yeah. There's one called here, brain training for dogs. This is a very popular one, guys. So you'd press that, you'd get your link, or you put it in your description. And this brain training for dogs, yeah, it brings us to this page. I've looked I typed it in on YouTube, and look, guys, these people they're making the same sort of videos where it's like a stock image with a dog or a flat belly on the last video and text over the screen, and they've got all these different people. Look, brain for dogs, look, and they're making the same with the text on the video, guys. That's how they're doing it. Yeah. So let's just have a look at one of these. Let's click on one of these, for instance. Press pause. See, she's got the link. Oh yeah, she's making 103 to 1.7 a month, guys. And look, 50% discount here, and I bet you the money it takes you over to, yeah, look, The exact same offer, guys.
Right here?
Oh, let's
I
turn her
don't
off.
own it. I don't.
Yeah. So they're doing the exact same. They're doing that promotion, and you can do this for as many different ones as you want, guys, and upload it to your YouTube channels. Yeah, and get your thumbnails and that. And then if you wanted to take it a step further, guys, you could create pins. Look, here's that flat belly. Create pins on your Pinterest. Yeah, and all this is free. And this program here, let me just sign out of here so you can see. Log out. Yeah. Try now, it's free. So let's get off that. Go to pricing. Look, guys, free forever. Yeah. So sign up, guys. The link will be in the description. You can do all this for free. You can start making money as a student, yeah, without showing your face, because none of them showed the face. They just got pictures of the product and animals and flat bellies and stuff like that, guys. Whatever you want to promote. If you wanted to take it further and upgrade and get extra stuff a month, it's $20 a month. But I have a discount for 25% off, guys. That link will also be in the description. But like I said, guys, you don't have to get this. You can get this for free, guys. Yeah. That is it, guys. And let me just show you one more thing, just to show proof. This is my channel, yeah, make money with. Yeah, this is also my movie channel, guys. Feel free if you want to, if you love movies and stuff, go check it out. Let me just turn this on. I might have to upgrade. Yeah, here we go, guys. See, I'm making between, it says between 346 to 5.5 thousand a month, guys. And if you look, I am making the exact same videos here, guys. If you look at my newest one, my newest video, what I released today, yeah, we'll just have a quick look on it. This is my video. Oh, it's playing an advert, guys. Sorry, let me just skip this. I'm getting paid by AdSense. And look, guys, look, the same kind of videos. This one's talking about lesbians, you guys. So obviously, I've picked all lesbian pictures. Yeah. So I'm gonna come back off that, guys. Go back onto my channel. So that is proof that I am doing. I'm practicing what I preach, basically, if that's the right saying. I don't show things that ain't working. And there is lots of ways you can make money using this awesome product called Invideo, guys. Yeah, like I said, the link's in the description. Yeah, sign up for free, or if you want the 25% off, feel free to do that, but you don't have to do that. But I've also got videos on my channel where I show you other ways, like how you can make money on TikTok. Yeah, another Invideo videos. Yeah, so feel free to check them out, guys, if you want to make money on other ways. But this is how you can make money on YouTube as a student without showing your face. Yeah, and I've shown that today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Leave me a message or something, say hello. I appreciate that. And thanks very much for your support. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, guys, I'm Jay.